Welcome back everybody to Descent, the Enemy Within, and we're going on level 19. We are so close to the end everybody, like 8 levels left, and we will be done with this mission. Can you feel the excitement? You are proving far more useful than I could ever have hoped for. You only have 2 more mines left to go in the Limefrost Spiral system. Good news too, once you are finished with those, your contract with us will have expired. You will then be free to come home and claim your payment for a job well done. You mean I actually get to see lovely green in my grubby fingers? That sounds great! What other news do you have for me? Haha, don't think that's gonna happen. When has ever PTMC ever done good on their contracts? We have little info on the next mine you're going to. The codename Sidera Mine was built originally to be a robot testing ground. This will become apparently obvious with its design once you explore it. My advice is to be on guard. Do not know exactly what type of force resistance you'll encounter in there, but expect it to be strong. Good luck. Thanks for the tip. Contact you back again shortly. Okay, so after 20 levels, our contract is done with PTMC. What else is going to happen? Good news, Charlie Delta. Coinciding with your release from your contract, we've also found some good information about PTMC as well. PTMC is creating these warships with the sole purpose in mind of developing one final series of ship prototype that will replace all warships that PTMC currently has in its fleet. These are not to be for CED's benefit, or use. We believe they are made for special operation missions enacted by the PTMC. The more conniving PTMC becomes, the more I think I respect them. Oh, who am I kidding? They're evil money-grubbing double-crossers. I guess this shouldn't surprise me. What else do you have for me? Yeah, so I knew they'd get a little cut on the side with this deal with CED. Other than that, not much. Just do your last 2 missions and we can talk about where we go next with your contract. Dark Horse out, and I'll definitely be glad to be done with you once this is all over. Dark Horse is not nice. No, he isn't. Whoa, it is dark. Holy crap, dude. And 2 mega missiles and a fusion cannon. This is really starting off awesomely well. I kind of... Oh, gosh darn it. Get away from me. This is starting off wonderfully. Okay, dark tunnel to the right or dark tunnel to the left? Which one do I choose? Does it really matter? Apparently it does, because there was a mantid this way. And a thief, Joy. Oh, good. Whoa. Holy crap. Did you just see that? What is all there? That's... Oh, Terrapinners, Kalki, and Jujus. Okay, I see why the Mega Missile was... What is with that Mega Missile? Holy crap, the Mega Missile just about killed everything. Okay. Okay, there's a few Jujus left. I don't want to use my other Mega Missile, because that just obliterated everything. I have no idea still what these Mega Missiles do. But they're slower, and they don't travel as far, it seems. But my gosh, whatever they do out of view, it just kills everything. I'm surprised these little guys still survived. I'm not surprised the Kalki's still there, though. That takes a lot of hits. Okay. I know I could probably use the fusion and use its homing qualities to get rid of these small guys, but I don't know. The fusion, like, kills your energy within, like, 5 shots. So I'm gonna see if I can take this down with just the lasers. If that's possible, ow. There's a couple more small enemies, but that Kalki has got to go. Yes, yes it does! Hate super homing flash missiles, those are awful. They should just remain on bosses, and on boss 4 specifically for Counter-Strike. Don't even give them to other robots, please. What the flip? Jiminy Christmas! I want to gather my stuff. I think I might have to just screw it and just use the fusion cannon, we'll see. Didn't even see you yet. There we go, now it's dead. Gosh, those Kalkis are something else. Oh. And we have a Gauss cannon, my own little version of the mass driver. Not very effective with these quick-moving small enemies, that's for sure. If anything, the fusion would probably be good against these guys too, but I just... Okay, depending how bad I do, I might have to... Oh, gosh. Darn you, thief. Where are you? There you are. Wow, my energy is just about shot. I might have to use my Gauss. Anything that's fast-moving and can dodge your shots, probably not a good idea to use this weapon against it. It is powerful, though. I see something there. That was a Terrapinner, just based on... Oh, gosh. Just based on score. Those... Yep, those are Legionnaires. I'm assuming there's going to be more over here. Yep. Man, can I call it? This weapon is awesome when you're sniping from afar. Let's see what's up. Yep, Terrapinner. It's all in predictable formations. Dang it! No! It just stole my last Mega Missile. You little punk! Oh my, you are not going to survive. If I find an energy center, I'm going to track you down with my fusion cannon. You're going to die. Stupid thief. Dude, all this darkness is really kind of freaking me out. I won't lie. Gosh, I knew it. I knew there'd be like a flurry of enemies down here. Okay, that just was not helpful at all. Because of the wide hitbox of the fusion, I wasted both my my last two shots. Okay, I love the fusion, that it's homing and it's powerful. What I don't love is that I'm dry on energy all the time using it. Kinda sucks. Oof, those Terrapinners are awful. Ooh, but I do get a plasma cannon. Is it clear? Yes, it is. Whoa! Oh, good gosh! Rolled right into that trap. On the bright side, the energy center isn't that far from the entrance, so that's really good. And I am getting Mega Missiles like crazy. I mean, there's been hardly any other secondary weapons other than Mega Missiles and Smarts and Golems! Ah! Whoa. Okay, so that just links up back there. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Another one of choose your own adventure levels here, based on the color-coded doors. What in the world? Did the thief just steal something? I don't even know. Yeah. I'm in a bad spot to try and angle and hit that guy. So this was a robot battle testing ground? That's what I think the story said. Oh, that's a Kalki. Okay, it's just the one down there. Ooh, wow! These Mega Missiles are just OP completely. Uh-oh. I do not like the sound of that. That sounds like Komodos. This is where this plasma cannon comes in handy right about now. There's one on every side, isn't there? Just imagine if I just float in there, just completely ignorant of the danger. Gosh darn it! Stupid thief! Okay, yeah. I would have completely died if I had just run in there like an idiot and tried to dogfight my way out of all this mess. Those Komodos would have ripped me to shreds. This is a lot of good weaponry here. This is a shame I'm not going to be able to carry it through. I think this is the first time I've actually been full up on missiles. Or any type of missile, really. Really, thief? You're not dead. You should have died from that. Oh, little stuttering going on right now. Oh dear, please don't freak out on me. And a golem. Is there any other enemy? Yes, there's other enemies. There's Komodos. Ow! Okay, this may or may not work. No, apparently it doesn't work. There isn't currently anything in view for it to home in on. What am I looking at? Komodos, terrapinners. This is a great setup. It seems like each major obstacle is just a wall of robots. That was all I killed? That's it? Oof. Whoa! Come on! Alright, down we go into the darkness again. Ooh, on the bright side, I got 50,000 points. That means I got an extra life. So I have one more shot at beating this level. And that thief will not leave me alone. Okay, is there any other enemies I've missed? Seriously, I killed it just as it killed me? Lame. There is an overabundance of mega missiles in this level. Not that I'm complaining, mind you, but it's just something I'm noticing, and I'm pointing it out. There is a lot of mega missiles. I'm guessing because of this overabundance of enemy walls, as it were. Oh, no, 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 no. No! I guess it makes sense to give you a whole bunch of high-powered, overpowered weaponry to deal with all these situations. Gosh, that thief is so dead! It's not even funny. Oh dear. I see something very bad down that tunnel. I see a golem, I see a Kalki. I see all sorts of nastiness. Oh my gosh. 2 Komodos, Kalki, 4 Legionnaires, and a golem? 2 golems? Ho 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 ho, wow. That was pointless. That was a waste. Okay, so the range on the Mega Missile is really not that far. And if it explodes, I guess there's some missiles that it kicks out, which I guess home on things? No, 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 no. Ooh. Oh, jeez. Cannot get a good shot on this thing. That golem has got to go. What else is there? Okay, we still got the 2 Komodos and some Legionnaires. That's not too bad. Okay, I need to kill the Komodos, though. You're not given a lot of opportunities to peek around the corner and kill these things. This is highly unfortunate. Oh dear gosh, no, no! Ah! What was I, 74 health? That was 74 shields right there. And those 3 homing missiles obliterated me. That's how dangerous these Komodo dragons are. Did I just call it a dragon? Yes, I did. I'm getting it confused with the actual Komodo. I guess they're just as lethal. Okay, I am not taking any chances. I am on my last life. Take that. There's got to be one more of you. Oh, good gosh! No, 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 no. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, please tell me that's it. Please tell me there's nothing else in this room. Nothing but shields. Wow, I could have so died. This level... Oh! Oh, did not see you, little guy. Hey there, sapper. This level is no joke. It is trying to kill you. Huh. Like I need the plasma cannon now. If you hadn't got the plasma cannon earlier, this is kind of a waste now to get it. Could have needed it long before this point. This is such a weird level. Is this supposed to be an ice level? I can't really tell. This defies ice levels. Here? What in the world? What in the world is out there? Is that a huge room? Oh, well, there's the full map. Whoa! Oh my gosh! What the... Oh, hey, exit. Wow! Would you look at that? That is insane! Oh, no wonder they put the cloak right here. Look at all those enemies! Ow! Oh gosh, look at all that pain!
Self-destruct sequence activated.
I'm gonna get some extra free points here on my way out. Haha! Extra 5,000. Woo! First try! No hostages I could see in that level, but 127,700 points. Another level down on the first try. Sidera. That was rough. I will admit that was rough. Crazy batches of enemies all in one go in certain rooms. Whew. Okay, on to the boss level, everybody. See you later.